Welcome to the Video Marketing Profit Kit course, where we dive deep into the world of video marketing to help you leverage this powerful tool for maximum impact and profitability. In today's digital age, video has become a dominant force in driving engagement, building brand awareness, and converting leads into customers. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge, skills, and strategies to harness the full potential of video marketing and achieve tangible results for your business. Here you will learn how to harness the power of video marketing to skyrocket your business growth and profitability. In this comprehensive program, you will discover the strategies, tools, and techniques needed to create compelling video content that engages your audience, drives traffic, and boosts conversions. Throughout this course, you will delve into the fundamentals of video marketing, including storytelling, script writing, filming techniques, editing, and distribution. You will also explore how to optimize your videos for search engines, social media platforms, and other online channels to maximize your reach and impact. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge to leverage the full potential of video marketing to generate leads, increase sales, and establish your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. Get ready to unlock the secrets to video marketing success and take your business to new heights.